I feel paralyzed.
Greetings my fellow hackers and welcome back on my channel VMware. So today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to download and install Kali Linux 2020.4 on download VMware Workstation Pro 16. So let's start. What's different with this release since 2020.3 in August 2020 is ZSH is the new default shell. We said it was happening last time. Now it has. ZSH is now default. Bash shell makeover. It may not function like ZSH, but now Bash looks like ZSH. Partnership with tools authors. We are teaming up with Byte3BL33D3R. Message at login proactively pointing users to resources. Awesome image refresh now on GovCloud. Includes Kali's default. Command line. Tools again. And there is a new URL. Packaging guides. Want to start getting your tool inside of Kali. This should help. New tools and updates. New kernel and various new tools and updates for existing ones, as well as setting proxy canes for as default. NetHunter updates. New NetHunter settings menu. Select from different boot animations. And persistent magic. WinKex 2.5 new enhanced session mode brings WinKex to ARM devices. What is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Kali Linux contains several hundred tools which are geared towards various information security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics and reverse engineering. Kali Linux is developed, funded and maintained by Offensive Security, a leading information security training company. Kali Linux was released on the 13th March 2013 as a complete, top-to-bottom rebuild of Backtrack Linux, adhering completely to Debian development standards. More than 600 penetration testing tools included. After reviewing every tool that was included in Backtrack, we eliminated a great number of tools that either simply did not work or which duplicated other tools that provided the same or similar functionality. Details on what's included are on the Kali Tools site. Free, as in beer, and always will be. Kali Linux, like Backtrack, is completely free of charge and always will be. You will never, ever have to pay for Kali Linux. Open source Git tree. We are committed to the open source development model and our development tree is available for all to see. All of the source code which goes into Kali Linux is available for anyone who wants to tweak or rebuild packages to suit their specific needs. FHS compliant. Kali adheres to the file system hierarchy standard, allowing Linux users to easily locate binaries, support files, libraries, etc. Wide-ranging wireless device support. A regular sticking point with Linux distributions has been supported for wireless interfaces. We have built Kali Linux to support as many wireless devices as we possibly can, allowing it to run properly on a wide variety of hardware and making it compatible with numerous USB and other wireless devices. Custom kernel, patched for injection. As penetration testers, the development team often needs to do wireless assessments, so our kernel has the latest injection patches included, developed in a secure environment. The Kali Linux team is made up of a small group of individuals who are the only ones trusted to commit packages and interact with the repositories, all of which is done using multiple secure protocols, GPG sign packages and repositories. Every package in Kali Linux is signed by each individual developer who built and committed it, and the repositories subsequently sign the packages as well. Multi-language support. Although penetration tools tend to be written in English, we have ensured that Kali includes true multilingual support, allowing more users to operate in their native language and locate the tools they need for the job. Completely customizable. We thoroughly understand that not everyone will agree with our design decisions, so we have made it as easy as possible for our more adventurous users to customize Kali Linux to their liking. all the way down to the kernel, ARML and ARMHF support. Since ARM-based single-board systems like the Raspberry Pi and BeagleBone Black, among others, are becoming more and more prevalent and inexpensive, we knew that Kali's ARM support would need to be as robust as we could manage, with fully working installations for both ARML and ARMHF systems. Kali Linux is available on a wide range of ARM devices and has ARM repositories integrated with the mainline distribution, so tools for ARM are updated in conjunction with the rest of the distribution. Kali Linux is specifically tailored to the needs of penetration testing professionals, and therefore all documentation on this site assumes prior knowledge of, and familiarity with, the Linux operating system in general. Please see Should I Use Kali Linux for more details on what makes Kali unique. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share.